Costco find. Let's take a look at this shed studio at Costco. I found it for $900. It comes with a lot of filters. Actually two filters, one's on each side. It's all plastic, durable, very heavy. Many boxes to maintain and take home. And of course, if you guys see the shed right below it, well built, nice little metal pieces in there with a lot of screws. Uh, Walking around the whole shed, I want to get something like this. This is something I would definitely get and maybe do a little studio in there because there's plenty of room. And for the price, you can't beat it. We're looking at 7.5 by 7.5, all metal pieces locked in place, easy to maintain. Inside, even better, durable. Let's take a look at the inside. Of course, plexiglass all around, plenty of sunshine, natural light coming in, reinforced with metal bars. Of course, they give you around 4 or 5, and of course they have these hooks on the corners for shelves, and these are great. They do sell them separately. I really dig this place, and in fact, I was walking around, plenty of room. I'm around 6 feet, and I still had like 3 more feet of clearance. This I would recommend put it somewhere where the water's not going to hit too much, or you have to level this and raise it up a little bit. But there's a whole room right there. It's a studio room if you guys want to. And of course, it's going to get hot during summer, so you want to make sure you get some sort of air conditioner because the little vents are not going to help you in there if you're going to do something in there. But security wise, looks very good, very neat. Something I might look into the future getting. So if you guys like the stuff like this that you find in Costco, Lifetime, great products, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and you've been watching Costco Find. Out.